In this video I'm gonna show you how to unblock someone on Instagram. For learning it, watch the full video. To do this, first open your Instagram app. Then go to your profile by tap on the profile icon at the bottom right corner. Now, tap on 3 lines at the top right side. Then tap on Settings. From here, you have to tap on Privacy. After that, scroll down a little bit. Then tap on Blocked Accounts. Here, you will find your all accounts that you blocked. To unblock them, tap on the Unblock button next to the profile. Again, tap on Unblock. Wow, this person has been unblocked. Following the same process, you can also unblock someone on Instagram. If you think this video is useful, then don't forget to like this video and subscribe to the channel. And also, if you face any problem, then please comment. Thank you so much for watching the full video.